Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuits using pancake mix. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of your favorite pancake mix, about 1/2 cup of milk, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, prepare a baking sheet by lightly greasing it or lining it with parchment paper for easy cleanup. This simple method makes delicious biscuits quickly. Now, let's mix our dough. In a medium bowl, combine the 2 cups of pancake mix with the 1/2 cup of milk and the 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Stir these ingredients together until they are just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough biscuits. Once mixed, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and gently knead it just a few times to bring it together. Next, we'll shape our biscuits. Pat the dough down to an even thickness of about 1/2 inch. You can use a 2-inch biscuit cutter to create uniform rounds, or simply use a knife to cut the dough into squares. Arrange your cut biscuits on the prepared baking sheet, ensuring there's a little space between each one for even baking. This helps them rise beautifully and brown nicely in the oven. Finally, it's time to bake. Place your baking sheet into the preheated oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the biscuits are beautifully golden brown on top. Once baked, remove them from the oven and let them cool slightly before serving. They are absolutely delicious warm with a pat of butter, some jam, or even a drizzle of honey. For more great tips and deals, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.